As I mentioned in the previous video, we'll try to use some lacquer toners on the knob. I just sanded this lightly with 600 grit sandpaper, and you can see the product I'm going to use, a primer. I'm going to put 2 coats on, about 5 to 10 minutes in between misty coats. We'll see how this works out when we're done. I had just a little bit of sputter on a couple of the knobs while spraying. They say that's kind of common with the product. I'll let this cure overnight, then I'll come back and sand it out 600 to 800 grit. There's the original knob over to the right, and the 2 knobs that I sprayed the toner lacquers on. I went with the black gloss and then just a misty coat of some perfect brown dye-based. I'll let these cure overnight, then I'll rub them down, get more of a satin finish. Got the old tuning condenser cleaned up, remounted new grommets and finish washers underneath to get the standoff height correct. New lead wires back to the oscillator coil and the antenna coil section. I'm going to get the little PM loudspeaker out, get that disconnected, get this plate off the front so I can do some cleaning on the chassis back in this area. By the way, I still need to do the dial string configuration, tie it back in.